Lellobee Farm.
Playing outside is so much fun.
But there's something that we have to do now that we're done.
Our hands are dirty, so before we eat, we have to make sure our hands are clean. Let's wash our hands.
It only takes 20 seconds.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet. Now grab the soap. Don't you forget to scrub, 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 dub, dub. Make a lot of soapy soap.
Now rinse, and you'll see your hands are squeaky clean.
If you're playing with your pet,
There is something you can't forget. Before you touch,
your mouth, eyes, or nose,
your hands need washing. You know how it goes.
Turn on the tap.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet.
Get your hands wet.
Now grab the soap.
Grab the soap.
Don't you forget to scrub, 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 dub, dub. Make a lot of soapy suds. Now rinse.
Rinse. You'll see your hands are squeaky clean. That's right. Everybody.
Turn on the tap.
Turn on the tap.
Get your hands wet.
Get your hands wet.
Now grab the soap.
Grab the soap.
Don't you forget to scrub, 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 dub, dub. Make a lot of soapy suds. Now rinse.
Rinse.
You'll see your hands are squeaky clean.
That's right.
On Lellobee Farm, where good things grow.
Don't forget to dry them off with the towel.
Oh.